In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder KPIs in Xero Business Health Scorecards. If you want your most important numbers front and center, reorganizing your KPI layout in Xero is a quick win. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to get your scorecards to reflect what matters most to your business. First, log in to Xero using your usual credentials. Once you're in, head to the main menu and click Reporting. This is your hub for all the insights and summaries Xero provides. From there, select Business Health Scorecards. This area gives you a snapshot of key performance indicators, things like cash flow, revenue trends, margins, and other metrics that help you assess overall business health at a glance. Next, click Manage Scorecards. This takes you behind the scenes, where you can control how those KPIs are displayed. Choose the option labeled Rename, Reorder, or Remove. This is the settings page specifically designed for fine-tuning your scorecard. While you can rename or remove metrics here, we're focusing on reordering to improve the way your information flows. Now, drag the KPI metrics into your preferred order. Click and hold a metric, then move it up or down the list until it sits exactly where you want it. Think about the sequence you naturally scan when you open the scorecard. Many people like to start with forward-looking health indicators at the top, followed by profitability and efficiency metrics, and then supporting detail below. Place the metrics you check daily, like cash position or sales performance, near the top so they're immediately visible. As you rearrange, organize your most important metrics at the top. This is especially helpful if you're sharing scorecards with a team. It ensures everyone sees the priorities first and reduces time spent hunting for information. Keep related metrics together to create logical groupings that tell a clear story. When you're happy with the order, take a moment to review the updated KPI layout. Scan it as if you were opening the scorecard for the first time. Does the flow make sense? Are the critical numbers easy to spot? A quick review now helps you avoid confusion later. Finally, click Save to lock in your changes. Saving ensures your new layout appears the next time you or your team visit the Business Health Scorecards page. And that's it. You've successfully reorganized your KPIs in Xero, making your scorecards clearer, faster to read, and better aligned with your priorities.